This is the I sound, as in the words I, buy, and time. I is a diphthong sound, which means it's a combination of two vowel sounds that are pronounced within the same syllable. The I sound is a combination of the R sound and the I or E sound. Like the vowel sounds, diphthongs are all made through the mouth and they're voiced, which means you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. But unlike with the vowels and consonants, when you pronounce a diphthong sound, your mouth will change position and shape as you say the sound. This is because they are a combination of two vowel sounds. So as you say the I sound, your mouth will start on a position of the R sound, and then it will close a little and your lips will become more stretched out as you finish on the position of the I or E sound. I. One of the most difficult things about learning English is the spelling. This is because spelling is often not phonetic, especially with the vowels and diphthong sounds. So you'll find the I sound spelled in many different ways, but it's commonly spelled with the letters I or Y, as in the words life, my, and find, and buy. Here are some more words, this time starting with the I sound. Idea, either, and item. Here are some words with the I sound in the middle. Child, while, might, and 5. And here are some words with the I sound at the end. Try, high, why, and guy. So that's it for the I sound. We've also made videos on each of the phonetic sounds, which you can see by clicking on these links. We've also made videos on the groups of sounds, vowels, diphthongs, consonant pairs, and single consonants, as well as a video explaining the overall phonetic chart. We regularly post new videos, so if you like this video and want to improve your English, please click here to subscribe to our channel. At the English Language Club, we also offer live classes online via Skype or Google Hangouts. So visit our website now to make a booking with me or one of our other teachers. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook.